Perfect, longer length. I bought this to run hidden in my wall, because my TV is wall-mounted. Bought a new 2019 QLED Samsung 55 inches TV, 6 series, and needed a longer cord to run through the wall while hung up. This one fit the bill perfectly and it's been running fine for over a month now. The 90-degree plug matches the plug that came with the TV and doesn't touch the wall when mounted. With so many electronics around, a rat's nest of power cords seems almost inevitable. This little right-angle cord helps minimze that rat's nest. Bigger is not always better. Smaller with the most useful angles on the ends can be much better. I needed a longer power cable for a new wall-mounted LG TV. I used a cable concealer kit to hide wires in the wall, but the original power cable wasn't long enough to reach the lower-level power outlet without an extension cord. This was the perfect fit and the length I needed. A+. Okay, I have a 2018 Samsung QLED TV and during my move the original cord was misplaced. I ordered this one and so far so good, the length is great if you're going to mount. I cannot speak on durability just yet because I've only had the product for less than a week. I will update my review if anything happens in the near future. Just what I needed, a longer power cord for my NA TV. Our motion couches are in an L config. One of them is in the walking path. This right angle plug allows us to bring the cord in closer and stop the trip hazard that the regular plug was causing. Low profile. Exactly what I needed to mount my TV and have enough cable to reach the plug. Click link in description for more reviews.